Just heading out again on Chichester Canal, taking off from the same launch point as my previous video. As you can see, the car park is extremely close to the launch site, and there's also an ice cream van. Don't know if you just saw that. This is Bella's first trip on the canal, so we just have a little paddle up and down the canal and have a little splash about on a really nice Sunday afternoon. Oh, also, if you stick around, you'll discover how to look like a plonker getting out of a kayak and how to do it properly. Enjoy the video. Like and subscribe. Here we are.
Right.
Yeah. That's it. There you go. How's this then? I think my camera's recording. Doesn't matter, not if not.
I want to live there. I like to live there.
Yeah, it's good, doesn't it? Nice and calm today as well, these winds.
What's that? I don't even know
I think that's Chichester Cathedral.
Oh wait, no, yeah, I recognise that.
Yeah, let's keep to the right because there's just a little. There's people there just fishing a little bit. All right, and we'll paddle quite calmly near that. All right, so we don't disturb fishies. That's it. I think I saw him on Thursday, that little duck. Oh look at that.
Oh.
Little nest. So this is probably good, probably better in terms of like the nature that you see. Look at those, look.
Hi guys.
They need headphones on, don't they? Danger, no fishing beyond this point. I will punch you in the face. Oh, electrical power lines. Ah, yeah, there we go. See that just above? And what we're coming up to on the right is an old barge boat. Yep. You touch it if you want. Just don't try and hijack it and take it home, Bella. Yeah. See these little boats here, look? So you can hire those. Yeah. Maybe. But yeah, can you see? Do you recognise it? So it's like, that's the bottom half. That little bit that sticks out there, that's where you kind of moor it with the rope. See? There, look. It's like it's effectively the innards of it. Touch it if you want.
I just touched it.
Ugh. Can you see, like on the inside, you've got, it's effectively just the bottom part, isn't it? Really. So if you I don't know if they can still reuse that, but if they wanted to, they just have to build like a whole new like enclosure on it, if you like.
Is that how far
Look at
your meg got? Or did you go further?
We went right to the bottom. It stopped at the bottom, and he turned around. And I said to her, I says, right, who's the captain of this boat then today? And she went, me. I went, okay, sorted. And then when we were crashing, I was like, love, you're the captain, why are we crashing?
Oh wait, you can see the bottom now.
Yeah, on this bit you can. This centre bit's quite deep though. So it's not that deep. But quite picturesque. From what I could tell from the pictures, Arundel looks stunning. So we'll have to do that at some point. See these little nests over here, I think, by the looks of things. They've got a little nest there. Looks like a fallen tree as well, doesn't it? Whack, 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 whack. Don't think that man noticed me doing it. Oh look, check out these. Look at these little babies. Let's give them a bit of space. Just like a little patch of wind. Oh look, there's a little nest over there. Can you see? Just behind him, it's like a little... There you go, see?
Fluffy.
Right, right.
The only thing I don't like about them is that there's no motorboats that will give us waves.
Oh right, yeah. He's got a bit of... He ain't seen us. He's not seen us. She's gonna hit! Hello mate, what you got there? Probably building a nest. That looks like a good spot in there, doesn't it? A little nest. We're all good, just keep to the centre. Alright. They're only little ducks, they can't do shit. Yeah. Cool. There we are, under a bridge now, eh? I'm surprised we've not met any barge boats. See, the water definitely gets clearer up this way.
When I look in the water, everything's got more chromatic aberration.
You what now?
In the water,
Don't give me a word, I've got to Google better.
chromatic aberration. It makes it look good, and there's like more blue and
Yeah.
red on either side of it.
Well, it gets clearer down the other end.
And that's the thing. How clever, I love it.
These ones were fine when we went past them.
Well, they might not be the same ones.
They are, because they had all those babies with them.
They're not babies.
We just got to keep it calm. All right. That's it, because they're not.
I'm gonna die with
There they are. And so down there, better, is my bolt to my GoPro somewhere. What we want to try and do is try and avoid these little bits on top of the water. So let's just try and go around it. These little scummy bits. No. It's just it'll get caught on the skeg at the bottom. That's all. It's a nice house, isn't it, around here?
That's not nice. I like
Yeah, people live there. How far those boys got their line out? Hold on. Have they got it out? No, they haven't. Oh, something smells good. Let's go straight down that bit. All right. Hello, doggy, look. I love dogs. Oh, do you want some seaweed, Bella? Do you want some of that? Just get it off. Get it off. It's like spaghetti. Yeah, yeah, that bit there would be really narrow. The garage doors look quite good though, don't they? In the wood. The wood looks quite cool. Not my cup of tea though, those. These look like they could be quite good. These look bricked, designed ones there.
It looks like a workhouse from the
Ahoy there! Yeah, lovely, isn't it? Yeah.
Hi.
That's it. There you go, check you out.
Yeah.
How not to get out of a kayak. What? That doesn't make any sense. Oh shit.
Hooray.
Yeah.